Hi, I'm Rashid, and welcome to SMSrush. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bulk SMS campaign in SMSrush and how you can use your phone numbers while creating SMS campaigns. First of all, you can import your contacts under contacts here. And first step is you have to create a group. And yeah, you have to create a single group. It's compulsory. You can create as many groups as you want, but one group is necessary to save your contacts because you're going to import your contacts in a group. And simply you can import your contacts from this button. And here you can see the format of your Excel file that you're going to import. In the first column, you are going to add your phone numbers without plus sign, and make sure you're adding your country code before that. But don't include zeros or plus sign before that number. And in the second column, you have to add your name of the user if you have. And in third row, you have to add group ID, because when you create a group, it will generate a specific ID for a specific group. And these are the three columns that you use in Excel file, and make sure your Excel file is XML file, not CSV file. And then you can simply import it over there, and your contact list will be imported here. While creating bulk SMS, you can go to messages, and here is 2 or 3 ways to run bulk SMS campaigns. Here you can see it's a quick SMS, bulk SMS, Excel SMS. You can also run SMS campaign to Excel file if you want to personalize messages and custom all the stuff. If you have more than 3 columns, you can pick different values from different apps. You can watch our in detail video on our YouTube channel. You can simply search SMSrush and you will find our video tutorial over there. But here is bulk SMS, because you're going to send bulk SMS. First of all, here you can see it's a contact groups. So which group you are going to use. If you don't want to save your contact list in groups, then you have to save here as none. If you have created groups and save the contacts, then you can select your different groups, right? But right now we are using none. If you want to use more, you can check here. As you can see, if you select none, other will be unchecked. And none means that you're not going to send SMS to the groups, but you can manually add your mobile numbers of your users over there with plus sign. So make sure your numbers, if you want to paste your number here, because if you have numbers on Excel file or in Notepad, you can copy from there and simply paste over here in this tab, each number on each row. So make sure these are separated by line break, and you can add as many number as you want. And then here you can create a mobile device. You can select your connected mobile device, and then you can select the SIM slot, and then priority, but it's up to you. And if you have saved templates, you can save out there, or you can write your message, and then you can send bulk SMS. Thank you so much. If you still need help, you can contact us.